Let's start winding down for the day. A couple of minutes left for trade, and let's see where the Nifty is edging towards at the day's close. 24,576. Very slight recovery from the day's low, but a steep fall from the day's high coming in for the Nifty. 0.2% lower in the red, when at one point we were almost 7 to 0.8% in the green. On the flip side, Sensex, two steep cuts coming in, 0.2% drop coming in on the spot basis. You have the advance decline ratio that is still in the favor of the advances, but more stocks have slipped towards the declines, and that is what is maybe causing the pressure on the markets today. You have Sensex, like we were highlighting earlier, Nifty Bank, 0.6% drop on that front as well. What is looking good and still holding on to gains is the entire broader market group of stocks. So mid cap is up 0.2%. You also have Nifty small cap that's outperforming the entire breadth of the market, up more than 0.5%. So good moves coming in across the broader market for the second day in the row. From the Nifty 50 group of stocks, gains for Tata Consumer, Power Grid, Nestle, NTPC. So it's actually these power utilities as well as FMCG stocks that are doing very well. Joining that is metal, Tata Steel doing good, Hero Motor, Aisha from the auto space also doing very well. And of course, a few minutes ago we had that news coming in wherein the GST rates on EV, we did see some numbers on that front. We'll get some clarity over the next 2 days, but on the back of that you had M&M and Tata Motors that took a little bit of a hit in today's trade. M&M being the top Nifty loser, followed by Dr. Reddy's, ICICI Bank, Kotak, Cipla, Asian Paints and Tata Motors. On the flip side, if you take a look at sectoral gainers and losers, while FMCG topped the list, that was followed by energy, metal, realty and PSU banks. Everything else has closed in the red. You have Nifty Bank, Pharma, Auto and IT that are going to be, or that are slated to close in the red in about a minute or so. If you talk about the top gainers today, of course, sugar, the top gainer in today's trade, with names like Sri Renuka Sugars up almost 13%. You had Balrampur Chini, EID Perry, all of them did very well. You had tire stocks like Seat, JK Tires, Apollo Tires also in the fast lane today. Good moves coming on that front, joined by railway names like Rail Vikas, IRCTC, RVNL, all of them doing very well in today's trading session. Defense names also like Cochin Shipyard have done well today, so that is looking good. On the flip side, some pressure being built on Godfrey Phillips. Remember, this cigarette maker could be classified into the sin good and fall into the 40% GST category. At least that is the speculation for now. So 5% cut ahead of that crucial meeting tomorrow. And you also have names like GNFC, Lemon Tree, Industars, Tube Investment, UPL that have closed in the red. So, well, lots of stock to watch out for, and lots of action is what we've seen on either ends of the market today. And Shrishti, the biggest trigger is going to be the GST meeting to watch out for tomorrow and day after. Let's see what that holds for our markets tomorrow. But on that note, we'll wrap it up on this edition of Closing Trades. From Shrishti, me and the team that put this show together, thanks so much for tuning in.